I'm Kapil Gunjikar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kapil Gunjikar Life Vlogs. Today I'm going to tell you about another interesting card game. This game is also played between two players, and the most important part is even a small child or your kid, you can play with them, and this game helps you to increase their memory, or it teaches them discipline. I'll tell you how. Make sure you will see the entire video. And the main objective of this game is to collect the maximum number of pairs. All the cards are being used from a standard deck. We also use two jokers, which which decides the who has collected maximum, because since there are 52 cards in a standard deck, and the objective is to collect maximum pairs, like any two cards of the same denomination from any two suits in a particular fashion. This is the main objective of this game. In this particular video, I have my younger brother with me, Puneet Gunjikar. We both are gonna show you the demo gameplay. I am shuffling the cards. Now we will be arranging these cards in a particular fashion. I mean, basically randomly. See, I'm just randomly placing these cards.
Another point about this game is that basically you can play with more than two people as well.
Yes.
So it is not just a restricted number to two, and it is a fun game. And if you increase the number of people, it's a fast game. If you keep two people, then it is a bit like
Time consuming.
But yeah, still the thing is that even anyone can improve their memory, correlation. You can also say a general game awareness.
Also,
Which person is placing which card. So basically you have to remember that, yeah, at this position this card was there. So if I get another one of this denomination, then probably that the last place card by the person who was playing just before me, he placed the similar card over there.
actually, Puneet. Right. Thank you. So I have placed, or I have dealt cards, like dealing of cards, arrangement of cards randomly. Both of us don't know. Both of us don't know randomly, and that too face down. So both of us don't know which card is where. We have to collect a pair, and the game. No, no. The other player starts first. The dealer has to take the second chance. Sorry, I am a little. See, the card is not shown. He can only see it.
I am not currently seeing it. Okay. Now the second card that I want to choose, probably it is far away from me. I would like to choose that one. So kindly,
This one?
yes, kindly hand
So
me
see,
over.
I am not seeing it.
So first I'll show you guys. So this is a pair.
So this is the first pair being collected. I thought so, obviously, because of the obvio.
So guys, another tip while using playing cards, make sure all the back designs are same.
The design on the back side of the cards, like these are fresh ones, because
Designs are same, but these cards are from a very new pack.
I mean, like, the jokers are very less used. That's the reason it is like unused
And
sort of a thing.
once you score a trick, like you collect
Collect
a
one-
pair, then you get another chance to play.
Yes. Another
And you
chance
lose the chance if you don't
get
make
the
a pair.
Yes. And you don't show the person if it is not a pair. Like, he has picked up one card. He has to, if it is not a pair,
Single card.
he has to place it back at the same position
From where he picked it up.
from where he picked it up.
So you have to remember that also,
Yes.
from where you picked your card.
I'm not showing him.
So this is not a pair. So see, he's placed it at the same place where he had picked it up from. He loses his chance. Now Kapil gets a chance.
Now I have a chance. I don't know what the two cards were, but
See, the obvious tactic of this game is do not ape the person who played just before you.
yes.
You are
Because
going
he-
to lose a chance, but the person who is playing first, he has an advantage that if the person apes you, then probably you might know what his cards are and what you kept where.
And you may collect more pairs.
But at the same time, you may pick up one card where the previous player has kept it,
Yes.
so you know what he's going for.
Yes.
At least out of the two.
Supposedly, if he touches any of these two,
Yeah.
I know. Like, then he comes to know
I'll-
that I'm at least going to be either of the one.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'll choose this one and I won't ape him or I won't go for the cards he has picked up. The left hand card is over from over here, and this is the second card. And I'll show it to the
see my eyes are closed.
camera.
Mummy, zoom the camera to me. My eyes are
Okay. Okay.
And the left card was this, so I'll place it right back.
So it was not a pair.
Since it was not a pair, and the right
So
card.
he loses his chance. He has to keep them where they are. Now it is Puneet's chance.
See, even he is not repeating the same cards again, and he's like
guys.
going for some other.
See the first card.
Yeah.
Now I know what it is.
So he scored again.
So this was the trick. Basically, he knew what this card was, so he went for the other option of it. Yeah, I know. So he continues with collecting one more pair.
That last one.
This one?
Yes.
I can't see that, guys.
Fine.
Fine.
So similarly, we'll
Now
continue
there's
the
no-
game. We won't be doing the maybe the commentary.
Now
We'll just-
probably we'll speed up our game.
Yes.
Okay, come on.
We'll basically do faster one, and this is goes back. This goes back.
We'll show you only if it's a pair.
Yeah, sure. See, now since I have got the pair, I have to show it to everybody, like the other player as well. And
Take another.
I will be like,
What I remember was
I don't know where to
at
place
that
this. I'll place this right over here in the far end.
at that exact position. There was a
No, maybe a little.
What happens in this game is for the first few picks, you have to first get accustomed and find out where which card is,
no.
and then you
What-
can
what
remember,
I don't know to disclose it.
and don't disclose.
That's why I'm keeping quiet.
I keep
Another
them.
pair. Yeah. Another pair. So he has got 3 pairs. I have only 1. So anyhow, I am losing.
No, it's too early to say.
As of now, I am losing. Rather, I would be.
Guys, there is a saying in Kannada called as "Nabad mein chukya." So
Arey, it's not a saying; it's just a phrase.
yeah,
Means like just this
Just-
whisker.
Missed
just
by
buy
whisker.
a whisker if you miss something.
It's like nabad mein chukya.
Na is nak.
Nak.
4. Bad means
Battu.
your fingers. Battu.
I'm finished.
You're done?
Yeah.
Chukya is missed. Our mother tongue is Kannada, so he's.
Hey.
Hey, don't move. Okay. He gets another pair.
My intuition was jumping right over there.
This one?
Last.
Last one? This or this?
I lost.
He missed the chance.
Yes, I got the second pair.
Oh.
I remembered that one.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. I'm like, that's the anxiety.
Playing for fun.
Yeah, but still.
Hmm.
Now both of us are at similar level.
Hmm. Wow. The battlefield is slowly getting clear.
That makes it much more difficult. I'm just arranging, guys. I'm not